10-point lead for Team Concepcion. Liwanag. Okay, lumipad na naman. And Baget for two. Using the screen. Pass to the middle. Mekos Lace. Baget. Hang time. Pagis number 15 spins. Nakalusot. Goes to the rim. Kinaliwa pa. Number 15 attacks the mid lane. Goes to the rim. Reverse layup. Baget. Welcome to Tarlac Intermunicipality game between Concepcion versus Bamban. Number 20 spins. Goes back. Here is Team Bamban. Number 28. Shot clock down to 12. Babawa. Deep 3. Bang! First. Number 5. Sisinyas dito ng rock and roll. Number 5 goes to the wings. Step back, no look pass up to the middle. Borjales, yes sir. Behind the back dribble. Straight goes inside. And fight for the Borja. And Concepcion left alone. Fires a 3. Bang! Nothing. Team Banban. Number 20 behind the back dribble between the legs. Behind the back again. Recovers, drives, fakes, clutch, the floater, bullseye. And here's Team Banban. Ocampo goes to the screen, goes to the middle, number 15. And here's Balboa. He pass, Ignacio falling away, bullseye, Ignacio. With the receive, pass to number cross pass, Sipolito to Concepcion. On go. Ignacio. Pass to number 11, pass back Ignacio. Balboa. Number 15, attacks the mid lane. Goes to the rim, reverse layup. Baget. Sa pagis number 15 spins. Nakalusot. Goes to the rim, kinaliwa pa. Number 15, Campo. Pass to the middle. Number 20, behind the back dribble. Attacking the defense. Ball is stolen sa pass-up. Mandani lumipad. Lace. Sinausaw. Ocampo. Between the legs. Using the screen. Pass to the middle. Mekos Lace. Baget. Hang time. And the long pass. Concepcion easy to. Point lead. For Team Concepcion, here's Ocampo against Concepcion. Goes to the wings. He attacks, kicks out. Ignacio stop, pull up jumper, deep 2. Bakit? Mandani setting the play. Sisinyas ng inliliit. Pass to Borja. Concepcion launches on 3. Off the mark. Ocampo to Ignacio. Ignacio. Pass to Ocampo. Balboa. Behind the back dribble. Step back. Pass to the middle. Ocampo against Mandani. Attack. Side step the floater. Bullseye. Mandani. Against Ignacio. Pass to sa pass-up. Sa pass-up against Ocampo. He goes to the screen now against Balboa. He stops looking for the receiver. Inside pass. Ball is stolen by Balboa. Balboa against sa pass-up. Bounce pass. Recovered by number 20. Coronel setting the play. Taking it easy. Pass to pull up J at the free throw area. Bucket. Down for Team Concepcion sa pass up. Now for the inbound. Looking for the receiver. Bounce pass to Borja. Kakaldag dito. Bounce pass back sa pass up of the glass. Hang time. Campo dribbling the ball. He stopped. Pass inside. Bounce pass. The floater too strong. Put back shot. Yes sir. And it's Campo, goes inside, Lace, kinaliwa pa, won't go. Rebound, Liwanag, pass break. And dinakdak na. Is dunk yun. Campo against Concepcion, crossover move, goes inside, pass inside, kicks out. And while Spart Ostre, bang! 3. And sa pass up against Paras, Hilis, bakit sa pass up? Campo goes inside, fires, not good. Rebound Paras, put back shot, bucket of the glass. Pass to sa pass up, goes to the screen. Goes inside na tapikan. Ball is stolen and a pass break. Campo against Liwanag. Fires bucket. Against Campo. Slowly dribbling the ball. Goes to the middle. Stop. Launches deep 3. No good. Rebound. Campo. Pass break here. Number 0. He decided to take it easy. Campo pass back. Corner 3. Bang! 3 points! Number 10. Buwag. Pass to the middle. Natapikan, recover by Borja. Pass to number 24. Liwanag. Atake lumipad. On goal! Inbound. Bounce pass. And a Borja. Perfect execution. Basket and 1. 2.0. Number 11. Pass to the middle. Pass to Liwanag for 3. Bang! Liwanag! And Coronel. Crossover move behind the back. Tatlo yung gumardia. And number 31. Corner. Pull up J. Very good. And Coronel. Bump. Bounce pass again. Step back for... So! Rejected! And a pass. And to the middle. Row! And sa pass break. And here's easy bucket. Pass to Mandani. Mandani, he goes to the screen. He stop, left alone, and pass to Concepcion. He spins, kicks out. Liwanag launches on 3. Bang! And pass to the middle. Campo, bump, recover. Pass to the corner. Campo, cross pass. Wild open for 3. Bang! Campo now. Campo. He spins. Oh, pull up J. Nugget. Rebound. Fires off the glass. Bucket. Paras. Baseball pass. Nauna na. Mandani with the receive. Concepcion. Against Paras. Goes inside. No good. Rebound. Put back. Bucket. He pull it. And pass to the middle. Pull up J. Nugget. Liwanag. A pass. Concepcion. Lays easy to Concepcion. Number 18 dribbling the ball. He goes to the screen. Pass to the corner. Paras. Pass back. Number 11. And fakes. Spins. To the middle. Pull up J. Bucket of the glass. Sa pass up. Sa pass up against Paras. Pass to Liwanag. Attacking the defense. To the traffic. Kicks out. Mandani. Step back. And drive. Floater. Bullseye. And Buwanag with the rebound. Pass break. Stop. Pull up jet 3. Nugget. And Mandani the floater. Bullseye. And close the mid lane. He pass to Coronel. Recover. Kicks out. Drives. Fires. Short. Rebound by Liwanag. Liwanag. Lumipad. Bucket. Liwanag. Number 7. Pass to the number 20. Coronel. Bounce pass to the middle. Pull up J. Bucket. 10-point lead for Team Concepcion. Liwanag. Umatake, lumipad na naman. And bucket for 12-point lead for Concepcion. Stops to the middle. De La Cruz setting the play. Spins. Stop. Picks. And number 11. Stop. Pull up jumper. Bucket at the back. Any pass. Ignacio the floater. Nugget. Oh, bagsak. Yari. Oh. Pass to the middle. Bunyag. Bunyag goes to the screen. Pass to Concepcion for 3. Bang! Number 11 cross the mid lane. Punanan. Stops. Pass to the corner. Concepcion. Bounce pass to the baseline. Oh. Backdoor inbound for Team Concepcion. Concepcion for the inbound. Corner pass. Wild open for 3. Bang! Concepcion goes to the wings. Step back for 3. Bang! 3. And number 20 spins. Coronel hook shot na again. Rebound Coronel pa rin. Bakit? Coronel. Option against Campo. Liwanag. Launches deep 3. Bang! From and Campo. Drives the floater. Bakit? Campo. Hipolito pass to Liwanag against 3 again. Bang! Off the glass. And crossover Campo stolen. And boom! Yun lang. Sayang naman. And natapikan. Ito na naman. Done. Boom! And attacks. Liwanag. Go good. And pass inside is stolen. Bounce pass. Liwanag. Bakit? And the pass. Number 30 pass to the corner. Far sa 3. Bang! 3. He set the play. He goes to the screen. Liwanag attacking the defensive pass. And bakit? And pass sa 3. Bang! Mandani to number 13 Hipolito to Mandani. Long deep 3. Bang! And number 12 drives to the hoops. Short. And the pass break. And at least easy to Hipolito to Liwanag. Liwanag set the play. Liwanag. He goes to the screen. To the middle. Stops Hipolito for 3. Bang! Here's Tim Banban. He lays too strong. Recover. Ignacio stop for 3. Baseball pass. Side step Kowangko. Bakit? Kowangko. Inside pass. Hipolito. For 3. Bang! Spins. Attacks. Stop for 3. Bang! 3 point. Boom! And ball is stolen. Paras. First bucket. Paras. Bunyag. Bounce pass. Kicks out for 3. Bang! 3 points. High pass sa 3. Bang! 3 points. Creating space. Cross pass sa 3. Bang! 3 points. Any pass sa 3. Bang! High pass. Paras. Leash. Yes sir. Paras. To the middle. Pacoma. He pass. Dison. Kicks out. For 3. Bang! At the back. Stolen. Paras. Sumigzag. Spins. Lace. Bakit? Paras. Congratulations team. Concepcion.